Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Klaviyo. This is a fundamental skill for organizing your email contacts and building targeted marketing campaigns. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the Klaviyo dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, click on Audience. This section is where you'll manage all your contacts, lists, and segments. It's the heart of your contact organization system in Klaviyo. Next, click on List and Segments. This will take you to a page where you can view all your existing lists and segments, as well as create new ones. Lists are static groups of contacts, while segments are dynamic and update automatically based on certain criteria. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a Create button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select List. This initiates the process of setting up a new list for your contacts. You'll now be prompted to input a name for your list. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies the purpose or audience of this list. You also have the option to add tags here, which can help with organization and filtering later on. Tags are useful for categorizing lists based on campaigns, customer types, or any other criteria that makes sense for your business. Once you've entered your list name and any relevant tags, click Create List. Your new list is now created and ready to be populated with contacts. At this point, you'll see several options for adding contacts to your list. Klaviyo offers multiple ways to build your audience, including creating a sign-up form, setting up a subscribe page, uploading contacts in bulk, adding individual profiles, or adding converted profiles. Each method serves different purposes depending on how you're collecting contacts. For this example, let's click Add Profile. This option allows you to manually add individual contacts one at a time, which is perfect when you need to add specific people quickly. A form will appear where you can input the contact's details. Fill in the email address, first name, last name, title, organization, and phone number. While email is typically the only required field, adding additional information helps you create more personalized and targeted campaigns. Once you've entered all the relevant information, click Add Profile. And that's it. You've successfully created a list in Klaviyo and added your first contact. This list can now be used for targeted email campaigns, automation workflows, or any other marketing activities you have planned. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.